Hello everyone, welcome to Cookout TV where we look at all the fun stuff. Today, back with another video. Today we're going to do an unboxing of this binoculars. So this is the box that came in for the binoculars, and it's a little bit, I don't know what's this about, but we're going to right into it, folks, because this is what you get in the box. Okay, all right, you see that? Look at that. So this is what you get in the box, and this is the bag that we get. And the reason why you want to buy one of these stuff is because, you know, in today's world we have a lot of emergency situations, you know, like US wants to invade Greenland, and then, you know, they want to take Venezuela, and then China wants to take Taiwan, and if you don't see up in the sky what's coming, like maybe a drone, a jet, or a jet fighter, or a missile, or whatever, you can't see. So you need to buy something like this, a tool that you can see all the stuff in the sky. And this is what we have, folks. This is the Blade 20X50. Binoculars. Looks absolutely awesome. It comes with a cleaning cloth. Here it is. Wow. The military black. It's a very nice grip here. And then we have the nice grip here too. Alright, it comes with the cap on top here. You can actually see inside. Okay. And you can also open the cap here. Alright. And you can see when you open the cap, the thing dangles so you don't lose the cap. And this one you have to put it somewhere, and you can actually see right inside. It also comes with the green lens, which is very good for day use and night use. The green lens, okay. This is the, I think this one, I don't know, it says, when I bought it, it says 30x50, but here it says 20x50. It's 56 times 1000 meters. And it looks really good. And you can open it up like that, like this, right? And you can also adjust the focus on this one here. This one you can't. You can adjust the focus here. This is a 20mm eye, whatever they call it, the holder thingy. And then the lens is really big. If you want to see the lens, look at the lens, folks. Look at the lens. Check it out. Alright, so that is what you get in the box. And you can see really, really far. And when you're done with it, you can just put it back with this rubber cover here to protect the lens, like a camera. Okay, and then in the front here, you also have the cover to close its eyes. See? And you get the cleaning cloth. Let's see how big this cleaning cloth is. Okay. So just in case you want to know how big the cleaning cloth is. Decent size. And yeah, I got this binoculars for like a really affordable price, like 50 ringgit or something like that. But what you get in return is a lot. You get this, and you also get the bag as well, so you can safely keep it. And as you know, on my channel on Cookout TV, we have one video that you can see the tornado in Malaysia, the EF1 tornado. So imagine if you have a binoculars like this, you can actually look in the clouds and you can see the tornado forming before it touches the ground and stuff like that. Alright, So this is how it looks like. We're gonna try it out. I'll try and put a video whether we can see how it looks like when we zoom out. So let's have a look at that. Okay, so we're gonna try this thing out, and it's the green lens. The green lens. I think it's the green lens. Okay, you see it's the green lens. It's the green lens. So I'm gonna have it try it out, and then we'll come back. Let's go. Alright folks, so this is what it looks like when you look outside the window. Although I can see very clearly. I'll try to adjust. Alright boys and girls, can you see that? Can you see that crane over there? It's really hard to record when I'm looking. But can you see the crane over there? Yeah, it looks even nicer when you look at it with your own eyes without the camera. It's really, really clear. Check it out. Alright folks, that's it. So there it is folks, the binoculars, the Blade 30X50 or 20X50. Here it wrote that 20X50, and the glass is really, really good. The green glass, really nice filter glass, whatever we call it. The glass is high quality. Look at that, really high quality. The glass is really nice. I think you see, if you hold this in the hand, it looks really, really good. Also make sure you close them so that the lens doesn't get dirty after you finish using it. But these are really nice. They're really nice when during the day. I think I can see very far, and yeah, really good binoculars. Look at those. Really nice. It's also very heavy. It's about 860 grams, and it's also, I think it's waterproof. I'm not mistaken if it's waterproof or not, but in terms of what the use of it, it's really nice. It feels very solid, stable, really nice. Beginners entry, if you want a beginner's entry, and it has a lot of grip here for those who really want to grip onto it, because you need to grip very steadily so you don't, the image doesn't shake, because you want to focus, so you don't want to shake, so you have to hold it. Okay, so there it is folks, a quick unboxing of the Blade 20X50 or 30X50, but this is how it looks like. So really, really nice binoculars here. You do get a manual in Chinese because it's from China, but this particular model is way better for the money, very more value for the money, and I wanted to buy one of the good ones because for less than 60 ringgit it's very hard to find a good quality one, and this very big size with a very good glass and lens and everything. So this is the only one that I could find which is really, really good. I'm not sure whether you can, yeah, maybe you can zoom in here too. I'm not sure. I gotta try it out. Let me try it out and I'll let you know. Alright, so I actually tried out the function. This thing makes it like a zoom in a little bit, and it makes it zoom, like it zooms in here somewhere, and you get a little, not much, it's just a little bit, and you can actually get a very, very crispy, clear image. And over here you can control it again, so it's really, really nice. I mean, the quality of this is really solid, man. Look at this, it's really nice, and you can actually adjust the how clear you want the image, but it just gets the lens in and out a little bit here, and there's another lens inside here too. I think you can adjust the lens here, but overall, man, I'm super happy on this. For 60 bucks, maybe 50-60 ringgit, getting very high quality binoculars. This would be great to look out into the sea, to see the ships, the birds, and to also check whether your wife is cheating on you or your husband is cheating on you. Very good tool, you know. And you can do a lot of things. Maybe you can see the fighter jet somewhere, or some drone somewhere, and aeroplane or whatever, or UFO. You know, there's a lot of aliens nowadays coming to the earth, so you might want to have binoculars like this to see, just in case. You know, sometimes you have some curiosity, and tools like this are necessary in 2026. So in going forward, so I think that's it for this unboxing video. It doesn't come with a proper box though, but it still comes with a box, so great. So overall folks, I think that's it for this unboxing of the Blade 30 times 50 or 20 times 50, whatever it is. But I hope you like the video and you find it useful. Do like and subscribe to the channel, Kika TV, and I'll see you all in the next fun video. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, and one last thing, you get what's this again? You get some rope, so you can tie on the binoculars, so you don't lose it. You can carry it. Get this string so you can tie it up on the binoculars. Let me see. Where would you tie this? Yeah. Oh, let's see. There we are. We can tie it over here. There's some ports there. You can tie it over here, and then you can carry it. Really nice. Okay, that's the bonus part. All right.